Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make a gift card holder. This is one that I got from Advisory Board from my friend Cindy Bowen, and I love it. So this is how the card opens up, in the little pockets right here, which she put her little business card in there, but the pockets right here. Isn't that cute? So we're going to change it up a little bit. Let me show you the one that I made. Okay, so here's mine. Mine opens up on the left-hand side. Isn't that cute? All right, so we're going to even change this one up today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to start with our base, and this is the soft seafoam cardstock, and this is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then let me give you all the measurements here to the front layer. So the basic black is cut at 3.5 by 3.5, and then the Granny Apple Green is cut at 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. And then the Tropical Escape 6 by 6 designer paper, it's double-sided. This is cut at 3 by 3. Okay, and then for the inside part, this is the part we're going to stamp on. This little square is cut at 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. And then the basic black is cut at 2 by 2. And then the side panel, the basic black is cut at 1.5 by 4. And then another piece of the same designer paper, this is cut at 1 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and grab our trimmer. Okay, so we're going to take our base of our cardstock and we're going to open it up, and we're going to put the 5.5-inch side across the top, and we're going to take this line over here and we're going to line this up at 3 3/4. And then we're going to take our cutting blade, we're going to cut from the top down to 4 1/4. Okay, and then this is going to make your pocket right here, and then this is going to make your card that opens up. So depending on what side you want it opened up, you're just going to either open it up on the left right here, or you're just going to go ahead and flip it over and you just open it up on the right. And that's the way we're going to make our card today. Make a really nice crisp fold there. Okay, all right, so that's your pocket for your gift card holder. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do some stamping. I got the little Whisper White piece. This is the 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. We're going to use the Tropical Chic stamp set. We're going to use this larger leaf right here, and then You're the Greatest, and then also with this flower. And then this also is available in a bundle with the Tropical Thinlits. You can save 10% when you buy them together. And then we're going to also use the Big Shot to cut these images out as well once we get done stamping. Okay, so let's grab our grid paper. I'm going to put this Whisper White on some grid paper so I don't stamp off on the table. So we're going to use the Memento ink, and then the soft sea foam, and then also the Flirty Flamingo. So we're going to go ahead and stamp our leaf first with the soft sea foam. I'm just going to go ahead and stamp it over here to the right hand side, just like that. Then we're going to go use the You're the Greatest. I'm going to use the Memento ink for that. Okay, and then I also have another piece of Whisper White. We're going to go ahead and stamp the flower with the Flirty Flamingo. Okay, all right, so let's grab our Big Shot. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut all of the 3 pieces that I need at the same time. But we're going to use the layers. Remember, this is the 3.5 by 3.5 black piece that we're going to use with the Granny Apple Green. And this is the 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. So we're going to cut our leaves out of the center of these because they're going to get covered up anyway. So we're going to go ahead and take our, so we're going to use this leaf on the black, and then this one on the Granny Apple Green, and then the flower, I'm going to put that right there. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Okay, so there's our cute little flower. And then our leaf. Sometimes when you just drop the Thinlit, it will just pop right out. Really super easy. Okay. Let's pop this one out. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and move the Big Shot. Let's bring in all our pieces. We're going to build our flower with the dimensional, and then put this black leaf behind that. And depending on where you want it to sit on your, let me see my other one here. Well, this one goes to the left, so maybe I'll go to the right for this one. So we're going to put our leaf. Let me trim this down a little bit. I'm going to stick this behind the flower with the dimensional. And then we're just going to go ahead and stick this right onto the little Whisper White piece like that. And then this gets layered onto the basic black square, the 2x2. Okay, and then with all these 3 pieces get layered together. And this is going to get popped up on a dimensional. That's going to go in the center. That square. All right, then we're going to go ahead and put this onto the front. And then this sleeve is going to get tucked up underneath that basic black piece. I'm just going to put some snail behind that. Just kind of maneuver it under there. Okay, and then this piece right here is for the side. So we're going to layer those together. I'm going to put this right on the front. Okay, so now we're going to make this into the pocket. So we're going to seal up the one side and then also along the bottom. And you don't need very much adhesive. Okay, so you can see I just ran a small little strip of snail. Then you're just going to go ahead and seal that down. Okay, and then you open up your card, gift card here. Just slide it into the pocket just like that. Isn't that cute? I love your card, Cindy. Thank you. So now here's Cindy's version. Hers opens up on the same side as mine that we just made. And she also used the embossing folder, the Climbing Vine. This one right here. Can you see it? It's up close. Very pretty. And then for mine, I used the Petal Burst embossing folder. Hopefully that shows up on camera. So there you go. That's how you make that really sweet gift card holder. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And then also I have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by and we'll see you later. Bye.